Hey guys, I'm Chef James Brisione here to help make your Thanksgiving stress-free. And what better way to relax on Thanksgiving than to know you don't have to leave the comfort of your own couch to find the best Black Friday deals. Booking.com is having amazing Black Friday sales with starting at 40% off destinations across the globe. And those deals are going to go through Cyber Monday. Again, you don't have to leave your couch to do that shopping, and best of all, the deals will be visible even before Black Friday. So as you're doing your Thanksgiving prep, you can start checking out those deals. Now, speaking of Thanksgiving prep, you can go hands-free in the kitchen. The Inovia paper towel dispenser with the simple wave of a hand is going to pop out paper towels for you. When you've got those messy hands in the kitchen, they make cleanup a snap. Also going to help you cut down on cross-contamination, which is key when you're cooking for friends and family. Now, once you've got that meal ready and you're heading to the Thanksgiving table, you want to have some great wines that are going to satisfy everyone. That's why I love Villa Maria. Their Pinot Noir is super versatile, it's food-friendly, and the perfect pairing for your turkey, with notes of dark cherry and dried herbs. Also, their Sauvignon Blanc is the classic New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc with citrus and passion fruit notes. Goes so well with all of the foods on your Thanksgiving table. Also, makes a great gift if you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving. Now, finally, when it comes to the sweets, you want to satisfy that sweet tooth, but still be mindful of your sugar consumption. That's why Pure Organic is a great choice with their sugar-free bakeable mixes. Chocolate chip cookies and brownies are a snap to make and delicious. They're gluten-free, keto-friendly, and sugar-free and organic. They also have a great organic sweetener, so if you want to make your own classic baked good but cut out the sugar, this is the way to do it. So there's your Thanksgiving all wrapped up, guys. For more information, check out betterstuffforlife.com.